Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, Wagwan Tours. I hope you're all doing really well. We are in the gorgeous Icmeler and I'm going to take a walk up to the main high street, have a look at a bit of shopping and see Wagwan. You all know the vibe. Hope everyone's doing really well today. So yeah, it's a nice sunny day and I am on a mission to do some shopping. And what better place than Turkey? So yeah, Icmeler is probably my favourite to do shopping. I do like Marmaris, and you've got the massive big bazaar sort of next to the marina, and it is endless with shops and everything that you need, but it's a little bit overwhelming and I always get lost in there. If you're new to the channel, hi, my name's Sabrina and me and my partner Kirk do Wagwan Tours, so we go all over, but I get lost easily basically, and I like to just know where I'm going and feel like I'm not overwhelmed with the many different codes and colours of the main bazaar in Marmaris. That being said, it is a great day out, and I think if you do come here, it is definitely worth going and checking it out. If you do want to have a look, we have got videos on the channel, so do check out our playlist, it will be on there. But for me, I like just walking along the streets, wandering into places, seeing what picks my fancy, and this just has that sort of, I don't know, I just feel more relaxed here and I like the sort of shops and stuff, and I don't feel like I'm getting hassled as much. And I get it, that's their job, they want to get you in, they want to entice you, but here it's a little bit more relaxed and I like that. So yeah, let's go and have a little bit of a wander. Let me know what sort of shopper you guys are. I don't really do a lot of shopping at home. My high street back home hasn't really got a lot to offer. The sort of basic shops, I'll probably go there maybe 2-3 times a year. That's usually sort of with my daughter to get some bits, or my sister, and other than that I do a lot of online shopping. So coming here, it's quite nice to sort of browse and have a little look at everything and yeah, have a sort of shopping day. And Kirk actually enjoys it as well. He's not really a big shopper at home, typical man, go into a shop and he's bored within seconds. So here he actually, enjoys the experience, and that's what shopping is, isn't it? It's an experience. And a lot of my shopping I get online, so it is nice to actually feel it, try it, and know what you're getting as soon as you buy it, because online it's always a bit of a gamble. So yeah, so we're in Icmeler, Turkey, and we're just walking along the sort of main high road. We've got the beach to the right of me. Lovely, I love the beach in Icmeler. So pretty. Again, very different to Marmaris. Both beautiful, but I think Icmeler just about wins the beach side. So you've got all the little side roads, discount supermarket, so that's more for like food and stuff. And I've been told about a store called Rosie's, so I'm going to try and look for that. But again, I'm terrible for when it comes to actually hunting for things. So we've got this one here, that's quite nice, Hollywood. Nice little skirts and beach outfits. I'm looking for like a nice little cover-up set. So like trousers and a sort of light top. So I only brought one pair of trousers with me. And the evenings and mornings it's a little bit chilly. And we're getting the boat tomorrow, so we're going off to Rhodes, so do look out for that content. If you're watching this, it'll probably already be out. But yeah, so I need something for that. And then I want sort of like a long sort of maxi dress for when we're back home. So I've got a couple, but I just want to make sort of light, because in the UK it's not exactly hot, but on those days I just want to make like a chuck on, a pair of flip-flops. And it's nice and easy with a maxi, isn't it? You don't have to worry about much. So, got some nice little restaurants here, but we're not doing a price video in restaurants, we're doing shopping. So I think I'm going to cross over. See a little shop there, big sale. So let's cross. And then I might have to get my maps out, connect to Wi-Fi and try and figure out where that Rosie's store is. So what have we got here? Some nice t-shirts. It's a nice little set. Again, that's more for the men. A little sort of Prada. Let's have a look inside. I have got a lens on. Ah, lovely, thank you. The polo's nice. You guys might not be able to see as much in here because my filter on my camera is set for outside. So I will just have a little wander, and if it's worthwhile, I'll take it off. I just wanted to have a little look inside. Lots more sort of stuff for the men in here, which is good. I think Kirk's going to be very happy. Thank you very much. Thank you. Right, let's keep going back to the sunlight. Like I said, I'm not shopping for Kirk, I'm shopping for me. I'm being selfless today. Selfish, selfless. So let's keep going up and around. And look at those mountains in the background. Honestly, it's so pretty here. And then the other side, when you're sort of like on the actual beach, you feel like you're in that film like King Kong, the one with Jack Black and I think Naomi Watts, that one. I always feel like I'm sort of there. Very, very pretty. And then those mountains look like you're sort of in the canyon somewhere. Really, really nice backdrop. So you've got Deja Vu sportswear. Not really going to get a lot of sportswear. They do lots of nice sports sets for like women and for men. Like I said, I'm after a more sort of a casual fit. Look at this little ducky there. I don't know if you guys can see the little duck. So what is it? Deja Vu sportswear, perfume, the whole works. And then what have we got this side? Yeah, everyone's shouting, come into my store. Yes, really hot today, so I'm looking forward to coming out quite early, having a little wander and then going back to the hotel and chilling by the pool. Much needed pool day. So what is this? Thomas Boutique. Let's have a little look in here. Again, it will go a little bit dark. I'll take the lens off if I'm going to be actually browsing and shopping. Again, I don't want to get anything bulky, no hoodies or anything. You've got some bikinis, nice little Chanel. And then just some t-shirts. So again, not really what I'm looking for. Hello. Hello. So let's keep going. It's going to be one of those disappointing videos, isn't it? She came shopping and didn't find what she wanted. I think we're going to have to go to the Grand Bazaar across the road. Went there last time, really good. So let's cross again. So yeah, do comment below if you've been here before, and if you're liking the content, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hello. There you go, guy. Shoe heaven. All right, let's go down here. Careful as I walk down. So yeah, I think last time I came here, they do loads of like perfumes, shoes. So, there we go, I see some more lady stuff up there. Hello, morning. I'm like a magpie, I go exactly to what I'm drawn to. So yeah, I can see some maxi dresses here, very bright. But yeah, little beach cover-ups, 5. Again, you know, it's just something to chuck on, isn't it? Nice and loose. I think these dresses are a little bit too sort of loose. I want something a little bit more fitted. But again, I'll show you guys just so you can see. Nice colours. Hello. So that tie-dye look. And then you've got these ones. They've got the straps, which are quite nice. You can sort of adjust them. And they've got all the different colours as well. Nice and bright. Let's have a look at this one. There you go. So yeah, nice sort of easy to chuck on dress. And then what have they got here? Some sort of shorts. Again, sort of linen. Perfect for holiday. Pockets. Always a bonus when you have pockets. Let's look at those white ones. Quite nice, aren't they? With a little sort of t-shirt. And then what's that? More like a wraparound skirt. Yeah, more like a skirt. Yeah, so some really nice bits here. So I'm going to have a little browse and a little wonder, and then you have to check the next one to see what I get. Don't forget to like and subscribe.